Well, I think the whole point with this is that it's supposed to make it really easy to fly out of the box. Which is ideal for me. Alright, so here I am down the flying field. We're going to flight test the Zhejiang F09-S. It's like a Coast Guard version of the Black Hawk helicopter. So it comes ready in the box to fly. You don't have to assemble it in any way. You get 2 batteries, spare blades for the tail and the main blades as well. You get the transmitter. The difference with this, and what frustrates me, is there aren't too many small scale helicopters. There's lots of pod and boom 3D style helicopters, but not too many scale helicopters. This is fantastic. I mean, the scale detail on this is really, really nice. I'll put the camera just in that mode there, and you can see, James.
Yeah, it looks awesome. That's very
It is really nice. Now the thing about this is it's got a GPS on board as well, so it will do much the same as a drone will do. It will do return to home. It will fly in a circuit, or there's actually a button on the transmitter to fly in a heart kind of formation as well. And I think you get some of the telemetry as well. You also get an FPV camera that you can an analog FPV camera that you can attach to the nose with a video transmitter on board that as well. So as long it doesn't include goggles, if you've got goggles for analog FPV, then you could fly FPV. We'll do that at a later point. So anyway, let's fly it now. I said it's got GPS, but it's also got an optical flow sensor underneath as well, because if you were flying indoors, then GPS would not work. You wouldn't get a GPS signal from satellites. So it uses the optical flow sensor to judge altitude and to lock on a particular altitude that you want to fly at. Anyway, let's get it in the air and see how it flies. I've got it in GPS mode at the moment, and it won't take off until it's got the required number of satellites. It doesn't tell me how many it's got, but we'll see if it will take off. So it's in auto mode. Unlock.
There we go.
Come a bit closer, James. So that is hands off in GPS mode. Well, I think the whole point with this is that it's supposed to make it really easy to fly out of the box. Which is ideal for me. I mean, I think it can be flown inverted and do tricks and whatever, but I'm just quite happy flying around scale, to be honest.
It looks good. It looks very, very
It looks
realistic.
great, doesn't it? It's got a lot of detail. And that little headlight as well, and you can see the other little lights on it as well. So in that mode, super easy and you can't actually do a lot. It's really restricting the angles that you can pitch and roll in. Now if I put it in manual mode, yeah, that has given me quite a bit more control, but still. So that's full pitch forwards. It's quick enough, isn't it? That's kind of a nice scale speed. So wow, out of the box. I mean, I did flick through the manual, but I didn't have to. There's not a lot to it really. I'm not going to try the return to home or anything like that. I think that's good. And I'm not going to try and land on the box. I'll just land on the grass. Put it back in auto mode. Here we go, landing. Wow. I tell you, I'm terrible at flying helicopters, but that was super easy, but gives you enough control to fly in a scale way. I wouldn't want anything more than that. So there you go, that's the Zhejiang Black Hawk Coast Guard helicopter. Comes with everything that you need in the box, except for the 4 AA's you need to put in the transmitter, but super stable. And what I love about this is the amount of detail there is on this. It's really nice, I have to say, down to the rivet detail on it. So I hope you enjoyed that. The link for this is in the video description and the pinned comment. You might want to subscribe to Essential RC if you enjoyed this. If you do, then please click the bell icon for notifications of our future uploads and live streams. Thanks to James on camera. We'll be back soon for another one. Thanks for watching. Bye.